I'm going to show you how to divide fractions, and I have 4 examples of increasing complexity. All right. I'm going to start with the first one. It says 4 divided by 15. All right, because that's what that means as a fraction. And it says divided by 9 over 10. You keep the first one. Keep, change, flip. All right. Keep our first value, 4 over 15. Change the sign to multiply. Flip these to 10 over 9. Okay. Now I'm going to break these into the factors because we've been doing factorization. So this would be 2 times 2 over 5 times 3 times, this would be 2 times 5, and this would be 3 times 3. So we can look at what we have going on here. The 5s are going to cancel, right? So it ends up being 2 times 2 times 2, which ends up being 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 8 over 27, and that would be the answer. You can't do anything else with it, okay? Just to kind of let you know what you're looking at here. Let's clean this. We'll do the next one. It says 21 over 25 divided by 7 over 25. Once again, keep the first one, change the sign, and flip this guy. It's going to keep 21 over 25, change the sign, and put 25 over 7, flipping that one over. Now, I would factor this, but I'm not going to because they're going to be the same. If they're the same, you could just cross these out. They become 1s. So we end up with just 21. We just end up with 21 over 7. So 21, if we factor this correctly, is 3 times 7 over 1 times 1 over 7. 7's cross out. Your answer simply would be 3. All right. Let's try this next one. This one's written really weird. It says 10 over 2 over 7. What this is really saying is 10 over 1 divided by 2 over 7, right? Keep, change, flip. 10 over 1, change the sign to times, make this 7 over 2. Now, the only thing you could do this guy is make this 5 times 2 here, over 1, times 7 over 2. I can cross the 2's out now. You get the number 35. That's the answer, right? Let's take a look at this last one. This is increasing complexity. All right. When you have a mixed number, you should have been doing this by doing the other ones, but I have 6 1/8 divided by 2 1/3. Right? First thing I would do, because we're doing multiplication on this, I would spiral these. Right? Spiral. So 6 times 8 is 48. 49 over 8. Divided by 2 times 3 is 7 over 3. Then I go keep, change, flip. So I keep it 49 over 8 times, this would be 3 over 7. All right, now I'm going to start splaying these out. 7 times 7 by factoring. This guy would be 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by 3. And this is going to be what? Just 7. 2 7's cross out. 7 times 3 is equal to 21 over 2 times 2 times 2, which ends up being 8. All right. Now this is where you then just bring it back down to what it was before. 8 goes into 21. It goes in there 2 times, right? So 2 times 8 is 16. So 21 minus 16 is going to give us 5. So what do you end up with? 2 5/8 would be your answer.